What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jeremy representing Position to Win. Today, I finally got my exhaust system. I ordered it Monday and it finally came today. Today is Thursday. I just ordered my diffuser today, so hopefully it come within hopefully tomorrow or Saturday sometime. But yeah, man, I'm finna show you guys the exhaust that I went with and give you guys a cold start. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't done so, if you're looking at this video, review the last video I posted and like that one, and also subscribe and hit that post notification bell. So I'm gonna be giving you guys weekly videos and also updates on what I'm doing as far as like modifications and everything. So I'm gonna need y'all to do that for me right now. Subscribe and also like these videos. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Go to Camaro. Let's give y'all a cold start real quick. Yeah, that junk loud for right now. It's gonna be twice as louder once I put these new exhausts on. So let me show y'all what we got. See, Corsa Performance. Doing research and everything, I found out like this is one of the best exhaust systems that you can have. So I ordered axle back exhaust. Didn't go with the cat back or anything like that because I didn't want to avoid the warranty or not. So I went on ahead and went with this. Put that there. Alright, so that's what the tips look like. Not too bad with the black tips. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Got the clamps and everything. But yeah, that's how it look. Yeah. It's gonna sound real clean and loud too. Can't wait. Show y'all the inside again. Black and red interior. Fully loaded thing. Camaro. But yeah, like I said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so, like, comment, and also subscribe. Hit that post notification bell. And see you next time into the next video, man. Peace.